Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Security Mindset. Today I am going to tell you about the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Cybersecurity involves a range of technologies, practices, and policies that work together to secure digital assets. The fundamental principles of cybersecurity include confidentiality. Confidentiality is the principle of protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. It ensures that only authorized individuals have access to confidential information, such as personal information, financial information, and sensitive business information. Integrity. Integrity is the principle of ensuring that information is accurate, complete, and trustworthy. It ensures that data is not modified, altered, or deleted without proper authorization or approval. Availability. Availability is the principle of ensuring that information and services are available to authorized users when they need them. It ensures that systems and networks are accessible and functioning properly, and that data and services are not lost due to system failures, network outages, or other disruptions. Authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user or system. It ensures that only authorized users are allowed to access sensitive information or services. Authorization. Authorization is the process of granting or denying access to resources based on the user's identity and permissions. It ensures that users only have access to the resources they are authorized to use. Accountability. Accountability is the principle of ensuring that individuals or organizations are responsible for their actions. It ensures that individuals who access sensitive information or systems are accountable for their actions and can be held responsible for any security breaches or violations. To achieve these fundamental principles, cybersecurity requires a range of technologies and practices, including firewall. A firewall is a security device that monitors and filters network traffic to prevent unauthorized access to a network. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a program that detects and removes malware, such as viruses, worms, and trojans. Encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data to protect it from unauthorized access. It ensures that only authorized users can read the data by providing a secret key to decrypt it. Access controls. Access controls are security measures that limit access to sensitive information or systems to authorized individuals. Patch management. Patch management is the process of applying updates and patches to software and systems to fix known vulnerabilities and prevent cyber attacks. Employee training. Employee training is an essential component of cybersecurity. It ensures that employees are aware of the risks and threats associated with cybersecurity and are trained to follow best practices for securing sensitive information and systems. In conclusion, the fundamentals of cybersecurity are essential for protecting computer systems, networks, and sensitive information from cyber attacks. By implementing these principles and best practices, individuals and organizations can reduce the risk of cyber threats and keep their digital assets secure. In the next video, we are going to talk about technologies in detail which help you achieve these three fundamentals of cybersecurity. Thank you and have a wonderful day.